The problem with most of these thermostats that come with the RVs, the brand Suburban is the main brand, and you'll see here that on the top here it just has colder to warmer. There's no temperature you can set it on, and a lot of times it fluctuates. It gets hot and it goes cold and it gets hot again. So this doesn't work really well for a camper. So that's the main reason a lot of people want to change these out. And the nice thing about the Honeywell setup is that it actually runs off the 12 volt, even though it's set up for 24 volt in your home, but it runs off the 12 volt. So that's the main reason why we're swapping these out. Most RVs that have a heating system usually have this type of thermostat. Okay, when you get your wires out and you pull your thermostat off, you'll notice there's a W at the bottom, R at the top. Those will correspond with the Honeywell thermostat you're putting it on. Now, because of the way the Honeywell's set up, I'll have to cut these ends off of here and just go with the straight wire into the small terminals on the Honeywell. When you're looking at this panel here, the red stands for your power coming in, so you want that to be that one. It's the striped one up here. That one corresponds with the one that actually has the 12 volt power. The white one is your ground, and actually it's not your ground, it's actually the one that goes out to your heater relay. The one that doesn't have any striping is actually your wire that goes out to your heat relay, which it will be the W. So we got to go get a little screwdriver to get these in now. Cut those ends off here and strip the wires back. So this is the base plate installed. So I've got that hot wire coming in hitting the R, and the solid color coming in and hitting the W. Gotta be careful when you put these screws in. The bottom one went through to this lower side, so you don't see it on the inside, but on the inside it did come just a little bit through the cabinet there. You could probably cut those a little smaller if you wanted to. So here's the actual thermostat. We'll snap that in place. Just letting you know that you can get these Honeywell. You want to get the one that's heat only, nothing else. You can get the ones that are long like I got, or if your space doesn't allow, you can get the ones that are kind of wide this way. I just chose to pick one like this because it's similar size to the one that was in there originally. So that pretty much gets our installation of our Honeywell thermostat in. This one's really nice because you can actually see the temperature displayed all the time, and you do have to maintain that battery that's inside of there, but it really looks nice, and like I say, it will adjust better with the temperatures as you need it. So it's about all I've got with this short video on how to do this. I've looked through several different ones on YouTube and never could find a good one that actually showed how to do this, so I just wanted to make up this video to help others. So let me know if you have any troubles and how this worked out for you in the comment section. We'll see you again another time.